I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird you're only likely to find in the dry zone of Sri Lanka. The great stone-curlew. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The great stone-curlew or great thickney is a large wader. An odd-looking wader with a dark mask, staring pale eyes and a large heavy bill. It is a resident breeder in tropical southern Asia, from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh into Southeast Asia. Flashing black and white wingtips, revealed in flight, recall those of lapwings. Found on the banks of flowing rivers and lakes with rocky or sandy shores, usually seen standing still on shore, though can be quite shy, often flushing even at a distance. Their calls are like locally named Maha Golu Kirala. I have not seen the great stone-curlew. One such place you can see them is Aukana. Aukana is famous for its giant Buddha statue. Created entirely out of a rock, this great marvel shows how rich ancient Sri Lankan civilization was. And it's one of the finest examples of the craftsmanship of the stone sculptures back in the day. We visited the statue 2 years ago.